Today, we will talk about coffee. Not just how it wakes you up, but what happens inside your body and brain when you drink it. Let's start with something amazing. Around the world, people drink about 2 billion cups of coffee every day. That's a lot, but coffee is not a new thing. It has a long and interesting history. Some people even say it helped start the Enlightenment, a time when science and ideas changed the world. Today, coffee is also a big business. It is a $90 billion industry. So, how did it all begin? A long time ago, maybe in the 9th century, a man named Kaldi lived in Ethiopia. He had goats. One day, he saw his goats acting very energetic after eating red berries. He tried the berries too and felt more awake. That's the beginning of coffee. Later in the 15th century, people in Yemen started roasting the coffee beans. They made the first cups of coffee, like we drink today. From there, coffee spread to the Ottoman Empire, and then to Europe. In Europe, coffee houses became popular. People met there to talk, do business, and share new ideas. Some historians think that coffee helped people think more clearly. They say it was important for the Enlightenment. Thinkers like Kant and Voltaire drank a lot of coffee. There is a story that Voltaire drank 72 cups a day. Maybe it's not true, but it shows how much he loved coffee. But the history of coffee is not all good. In the 1800s, countries like Haiti and Brazil used enslaved people to grow coffee. That is a very dark part of coffee's past. Later, companies started giving workers coffee breaks. It was not only to be nice, it also helped workers stay awake and work more. So what does caffeine, the main thing in coffee, do to your brain? Caffeine goes into your stomach, then your blood, then your brain. There it blocks something called adenosine. Adenosine is a chemical that makes you feel tired. So when caffeine blocks it, you feel more awake and focused. That is why many people drink coffee in the morning. But caffeine doesn't give you real energy. It just hides the tired feeling. After some time, your body makes more adenosine receptors. So you need more coffee to feel the same effect. This is called tolerance. If you drink too much coffee, you can feel bad. You might get shaky, nervous, or have trouble sleeping. And if you stop drinking coffee suddenly, you can feel tired, have a headache, or feel sad. That is called withdrawal. Is coffee addictive? Not really like strong drugs, but your body can get used to it. So it's better to drink coffee in moderation. Still, coffee has some health benefits too. It may help reduce the risk of diseases like diabetes, Parkinson's, and some types of cancer. It also has antioxidants that help protect your body. So, is coffee good or bad? It depends on how much you drink. and how your body reacts. For most people, up to 4 or 5 cups a day is safe. Everyone is different, so it's good to listen to your body. Next time you drink coffee, remember, it's more than just a drink. It's part of history, science, and even revolution. From a goat in Ethiopia to your morning cup today, coffee has come a long way.